In the annals of technological metamorphosis, few companies have orchestrated a more awe-inspiring shift than Nvidia Corporation. The company's GPUs are now used in a wide variety of AI applications, and Nvidia is considered one of the world's leading AI companies. Join us as we unravel the fascinating tale of Nvidia's extraordinary transition, where pixels gave way to algorithms and gaming prowess merged with AI innovation to shape the future in ways never imagined. Nvidia has been leading the revolution in computer graphics for about a quarter century. Nvidia's dominance in the GPU market is due to a number of factors. First, the company has a long history of innovation. It was one of the first companies to develop a GPU specifically for gaming, and it has continued to push the boundaries of what is possible with GPUs ever since. Second, Nvidia has a strong brand reputation. Gamers and other professionals know that Nvidia GPUs are the best on the market, and they are willing to pay a premium for them. Third, Nvidia has a strong ecosystem of partners. This includes game developers, cloud computing providers, and other businesses that rely on GPUs. Despite a recent downturn in the gaming market, Nvidia's gaming division still brought in over $9 billion in revenue last year. This is a testament to the company's strong brand reputation and its ability to innovate. Nvidia is also well positioned for future growth, as the demand for GPUs is expected to increase in a number of industries, including artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. GPUs are well suited for AI applications because they are able to perform complex mathematical operations very quickly. This makes them ideal for tasks such as training and deploying large language models, LLMs. LLMs are a type of AI model that can be used to generate text, translate languages, and answer questions in an informative way. Nvidia's AI leadership. Nvidia is the leading provider of GPUs for AI. The company's GPUs are used by some of the world's leading AI research labs, including Google, Facebook, and OpenAI. Nvidia's GPUs are also used by a number of cloud providers, including Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Nvidia's GPUs are also being used by Tesla to enable autonomous driving. Tesla's self-driving cars use a combination of cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to perceive the environment. This data is then processed by a neural network that is trained to identify objects and make decisions about how to navigate the environment. Nvidia's earnings beat. Nvidia's latest earnings beat points to a growing importance of AI in the GPU market. The company's revenue from AI-related products and services grew by 50% in the most recent quarter. This growth was driven by strong demand for Nvidia's GPUs from cloud providers and AI research labs. In October 2022, the U.S. government introduced sweeping new rules that banned exports of leading-edge AI chips to China. This was a major blow to Nvidia, as China accounts for about 1/4 of the company's revenue. Nvidia was able to quickly adapt to the new regulations by re-engineering its products to comply with the rules. The company was also able to continue to serve its customers in China by providing them with regulated parts. We can see Nvidia's ability to adapt to the new regulations is a testament to the company's strength and resilience. Nvidia's A100 GPU is the most powerful GPU on the market. The A100 is designed specifically for AI applications, and it offers a number of features that make it well suited for these applications. For example, the A100 has tensor cores, which are specialized processors that are designed to accelerate AI workloads. Microsoft recently announced that it has built a supercomputer for OpenAI. The supercomputer is powered by 10,000 of Nvidia's A100 GPUs. This makes the supercomputer one of the most powerful AI supercomputers in the world. The early days. Nvidia was founded in 1993 by three engineers, Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Prem. The company was founded out of a condo in Fremont, California, with a goal of enabling PCs with 3D graphics. The name Nvidia was inspired by NV for next version and Nvidia, the Latin word for envy. The founders hoped to speed up computing so much that everyone would be green with envy, so they chose the envious green eye as the company logo. The first decade. Nvidia's early years were focused on developing GPUs for the gaming market. The company's first GPU, the NV1, was released in 1995. The NV1 was not a commercial success, but it paved the way for Nvidia's later GPUs, which were more successful. In 1999, Nvidia released the GeForce 256, which was the first GPU to support 3D graphics acceleration. The GeForce 256 was a commercial success, and it helped to establish Nvidia as a leader in the GPU market. The second decade. In the 2000s, Nvidia continued to innovate in the GPU market. The company released a number of new GPUs, including the GeForce 3, the GeForce 4, and the GeForce 6. These GPUs were more powerful than their predecessors, and they helped to drive the growth of the gaming market. Nvidia also began to expand into other markets, such as the automotive and mobile markets. The third decade. In the 2010s, Nvidia continued to innovate and expand. The company released a number of new GPUs, including the GTX 480, the GTX 980, and the RTX 2080 Ti. These GPUs were even more powerful than their predecessors, and they helped to accelerate the growth of the AI and machine learning markets. Nvidia also acquired a number of companies, including Mellanox Technology and ARM Holdings. These acquisitions helped Nvidia to expand its product portfolio and reach into new markets. In the early 2010s, Nvidia made an unsuccessful move into the smartphone market with its Tegra line of processors. The company's first Tegra processor, the Tegra 2, was released in 2010 and was used in a number of high-end smartphones, including the HTC Desire HD and the Motorola Atrix. However, the Tegra 2 was not as successful as Nvidia had hoped, and the company's subsequent Tegra processors were even less successful. GeForce RTX. In 2018, Nvidia introduced GeForce RTX, a new line of graphics cards that use AI to deliver the most realistic and immersive graphics ever seen in gaming. GeForce RTX cards are powered by Nvidia's Turing architecture, which includes a new feature called ray tracing. Ray tracing is a technique that simulates the way light behaves in the real world, and it allows games to be rendered with a level of realism that was previously impossible. AI expertise. Nvidia's AI expertise was essential to the development of GeForce RTX. The company's AI researchers developed a new type of AI engine called tensor cores, which are specifically designed to accelerate ray tracing calculations. Tensor cores allow GeForce RTX cards to render ray-traced graphics faster than previous generations of GPUs. Today, Nvidia is one of the world's most valuable tech companies. The company has a market cap of nearly $600 billion and employs over 26,000 people. Nvidia's GPUs are used in a wide variety of applications, including gaming, AI, and data science. The company is also a leader in the automotive and mobile markets. There are an estimated 3,000 AI startups worldwide, and many building on Nvidia's platform. These startups are using Nvidia's GPUs to put AI into a wide variety of applications. The future of AI is bright, and Nvidia is well positioned to play a major role in this revolution. The company's GPUs are already being used in a wide variety of AI applications, and Nvidia is continuing to invest in AI research and development. And if you enjoyed watching this video, tap on that like button. See you soon. Bye.